welcome back to This Week on the Chicagoland Rails for week number 3. Starting it off, we see CPKC 181 with 70-18 trailing. I also just want to note that any videos with a drone being used for the camera, the resolution is not all that great. For what reason, I don't know, but that's just how it is for this specific video. Now on Wednesday, we're in Geneva, Illinois to get this Metro UP train meet, as we see this outbound Metro meeting this eastbound UP mixed freight. Same location on a different day, which was the next day, we are taking off the drone to get ready for MALG3. Today in the lead position would be a XUP CNW-9 rebuilt into a AC44 C6M. On the ground, and we have a second view of MALG3, which again is Altoona, Wisconsin to Global 3 in Rochelle, Illinois. Now on Friday, we're in Bartlett, Illinois to wait on CPKC 180, and we'd catch 2 Metros in the wait. Over the last few years, probably about 4 to 3 years, Metro has been replacing a lot of their mechanical bells with new electronic bells. And in Bartlett, there are still 2 crossings with fully mechanical bells, so I definitely like coming to the spot to hear those mechanical bells, as there's no say to how much longer they're going to last. Anyways, we have a outbound Metro with a new Mac leading. And not that many minutes later, we get CP 180 with CP 8104 leading, and a KCS Jevo trailing with 2 autoracks and a cut of intermodal. And with 180 being the last train we'd see this week, this means that this is the end of the episode. Hope you enjoyed this episode of This Week on the Chicagoland Rails, and thanks for watching.